got mad. There's this kid called like Ryan something. I don't know. It's not my cousin though. Like Ryan something. I don't know. He like roasts people's merch and stuff. I can't even do anything about it. Okay. So this kid Ryan, he's not my cousin. Like I said, he's not my cousin. On YouTube, he roasts people's stuff. That's the thing I hate. Like there's one time I don't personally watch his videos. So there's this kid that like roasts people. So there's this one time where he did a video